Hey there. Did you know that most health code violations in restaurant kitchens come down to one thing: dishes and utensils that were never properly sanitized? If your team is using a 3-compartment sink, there's a right way to do it. Let's walk through it. Washing removes visible food and grease. It does not kill bacteria. That's why the Florida Division of Hotels and Restaurants and the FDA Food Code require 3 separate steps: wash, rinse, and sanitize every time you clean equipment and utensils by hand. Skip a step, get the temperature wrong, or mix up the order, and you're looking at cross-contamination, a failed inspection, or worse, a foodborne illness complaint. Before anything touches the sink, scrape off leftover food into the trash and pre-rinse if needed. This keeps your wash water clean longer and stops your first compartment from turning into a swamp by mid-shift. Sink 1 is your wash sink. Fill it with hot water at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit and the right amount of dish detergent. Scrub every surface with a brush or scrub pad until it's clean to sight and touch. When the suds disappear or the water looks dirty, change it. Sink 2 is for rinsing only: no soap, no sanitizer. Submerge or spray each item to remove every trace of detergent. Leftover soap residue can neutralize your sanitizer in the next sink. Sink 3 is where you actually kill the bacteria. Option 1. Hot water. At least 171 degrees Fahrenheit. Items fully submerged for at least 30 seconds. Option 2. A chemical sanitizer: chlorine at 50 to 100 parts per million for at least 7 seconds, or quaternary ammonium at 150 to 400 parts per million per the label, for at least 30 seconds. Either way, you need test strips to confirm the concentration. Last step. Place everything on a clean drain board or rack and let it air dry. Never towel dry sanitized items. That towel can undo everything you just did in sink 3. The mistakes health inspectors see most: no thermometer at the sink, no test strips for the sanitizer water gone lukewarm and nobody noticed, and towel drying because the rack was full. Any one of those can turn a passing inspection into a violation. Run it this way every time, and your kitchen passes inspection because the process is right, not because you got lucky.